Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's ChristyRocksXO. In today's video, we are going to be decorating my kitchen island. We're going to get it nice and cute for Halloween. I already took some stuff off. I usually have it set up a little different. If you're wondering about my kitchen table back there, I will put an iCard. I will link the video down below as well, so you can go and check that out. But today we're going to focus here in my kitchen, on my kitchen island, and we're going to get it nice and spooky. So let's go ahead and let's start decorating. Now I'll be taking this cloche and I'm going to be spookifying it. I'll be adding some Spanish moss because Spanish moss just adds that spooky effect. My cloche came from the 99-cent only store. If you have any questions about any of the products that I'm using, go ahead and ask me down below. This heart here literally came from who knows where because I've had it for over 16 years. This is one of my very first Halloween decor pieces that I ever bought. I will forever cherish it and I will forever keep it. So I will be using this heart and I'm going to place it inside of this cloche. I'm going to close the cloche up and I'm going to call it done, and it just adds such a spooky little effect. I love it. And can you believe I've had that for over 16 years? Fun fact, 16 years ago, I used to make my mom's garage and her back porch into a house haunt. I loved every bit of it. The neighborhood kids used to line up literally down the street. The line was so long. I had to have a bouncer at the door and only let 3 people in because it was so packed. Everybody thought it was so cool. And that's where my love of spooky Halloween started, right there. I mean, I've always loved Halloween as a child, but at that moment, 16 years ago, I knew Halloween was going to be my thing. And ever since then, I've been decorating and collecting spooky Halloween decor, and I would not have it any other way. So here I'm attempting to use this bowl as a book holder, but at the end I do end up taking the bowl out and just using the bones and the hands as the book holder because it was kind of sliding off of the bowl, as you can see here. So in the end, when you see the full tour, you'll see that I took the bowl off. So I've got to say that I am absolutely in love with the way my kitchen island came out. It is so spooky, and you know your girl loves the spooky route. It literally tickles my webbles. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, and if you're inspired in any way, give your girl a big thumbs up because it lets me know that you're enjoying my videos. And also don't forget to follow me over on my Instagram at ChristyRocksXO. I just love this kitchen island, you guys. I love the little hats that I have hanging from the bar area. If you were here last year, then you've seen that I hung these witch hats in my hallway, but this year I decided to add them here on my kitchen island, and I think it is so charming and cute and spooky, and I love it. So until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye.